Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with information on refinancing. Refinancing today can significantly help reduce monthly payments, which is just one of the benefits available when you lower your rate. Here's some possible scenarios. FHA to conventional refinance to remove mortgage insurance and reduce the monthly payment or term. FHA to FHA reducing the monthly payment or term. VA to VA reducing the monthly payment or term. Conventional to conventional reducing the monthly payment or term. Using the lower rates to consolidate debt and increase cash flow across all loan types. Those are some possible scenarios. This has been James Graff at Advisors Mortgage Group. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact me at 732-500-6883. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.